Hello everyone, this video is a demonstration of our project GRS, which is the short form for GitHub Recommender System. As the name suggests, this tool is aimed at recommending repositories to a GitHub user that match his or her interest. Not only that, this tool also recommends other GitHub users who share common interest. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I am going to start the Django server. So let us visit our home page. Now, this is the home page of our web application. On this page, any GitHub user who is present in our database currently can input his or username to get details of his previous contributions and recommendations. Let us pick a name from our database. I want to put it forward that this name that I am choosing is completely random. So let us choose Sifkav. After this, we are directed to this page. This pie chart shows the percentage of repositories that the user has in different languages like Python, Jupyter Notebook, JavaScript, TypeScript, etc. For example, out of all his repositories, 11.9% are in JavaScript language, 11.9% again are in Jupyter Notebook, 2.38% are in Makefile, while 33.33% are in Python. Now, let us take a look at these two buttons that give the two type of recommendations that we are talking about. So here is the list of GitHub repositories that are recommended to him based on his past contributions and following on GitHub. In each of these cards, the card header contains the name of the repository that is recommended to him. Like in this case, Congo repository is recommended to him, Task Tracker repository is recommended to him, and so on. The bold word below the card header is the username of the GitHub user that this repository belongs to. Like Congo repository belongs to the GitHub user whose username is DWT. Similarly, Task Tracker belongs to again DWT, PyTorch belongs to Super Bobbery, and like this. The basis of recommendation is also listed out as common language interest in Python and the degree of similarity, which is 6.4917. As you can see, the degree of similarity between Super Bobbery and the user Sifkav is 6.4402 and so on. Now, this button takes us to the Congo repository on GitHub. Let us check that out. So as you can see, we are in the Congo repository which belongs to the GitHub user with username DWT. So here the user can take a look directly at the repository that is recommended to him and check that out whether it suits his interest or not. So let us go back. Now this more info button gives a brief introduction to how similarity index values calculated between Sifkav and DWT, similarly between Sifkav and AwareCan, and so on. Now let us go back. Now let us check this button. So here is the list of GitHub users that the user can consider following on GitHub. Now in each of the cards, here the card header contains the name of the GitHub user that is recommended to him. Like Muan GitHub user is recommended to him, Kamal Marhubi is recommended to him, and so on. The basis of recommendation is also listed out in each of the cards. As you can see, in some of the cards the basis of recommendation is a GitHub user, while in some of the cards the basis of recommendation is similarity index. This is based on the two ideas that we have followed for recommending any user to the concerned GitHub user. The two ideas that I am talking about is already listed out clearly in the project report. Like in the previous case, this button takes us to the GitHub user directly on GitHub, like Mandy, Michael, and Muan, so that the user can directly have a look at the GitHub user that is recommended to him. So finally, this is our tool overall. We tried to deliver our best in the given time. Hope you liked it. Now my friend will continue. He will explain the analysis of our project, the data analysis of our project.